What's up guys, Murtuza here, and today in this video I'll be giving you a quick tour of my brand new video studio. So I have just locked this entire room and I have created a new video studio that you are about to see. Okay, and I'll be giving you all the details that I have used to create this video studio, and to be very honest, it was not easy, okay, because you have to test a lot of elements when you are creating this kind of video studio. And when you are doing green screen videos are quite complicated, where you are like removing the background and adding all the animations and effects and everything. So you need to have the lightings and everything in place when you are creating this kind of studio. So you will be seeing behind the scenes how this studio gets created. So if you go here, you'll see here there's a green screen, and this is a collapsible green screen which I have ordered from Amazon. So I have created I've got two collapsible green screens, and I have tied up on the hook, okay, out here on the ceiling, and it is tied up. The best part of this green screen, when you compare it with that curtain, first of all, it looks really untidy, because then you have to have that hanger to tie up the curtain, and the biggest problem with the curtain is that it generates wrinkles. So you have to keep ironing the curtain over and over again when you are removing and you are setting it up. So that's a big headache. Okay, with this collapsible green screen, you can get it from Amazon. Okay, so I have purchased two collapsible green screens, and what I did is, with a tailor, this is the black border, okay, of the collapsible green screen. So what I have done is, with the tailor, for this green screen I have made a green color border. Okay, a tailor can do it easily. Okay, all you have to do is get a color of cloth which is similar to the green screen, and the tailor will stitch the border completely. So when you overlap these two collapsible green screens, you will have a huge green screen. So if I stand here and I do whatever I want to do, I can remove this green background and add animations, effects. This makes the video look pretty cool. So instead of the curtain, I prefer to do this. You can get this collapsible green screen for like something like 2,500, 3,000 bucks from Amazon. One, I have got two, so that I can get more space to move my hands when I am doing green screen video. So that's the first thing that you need. The second thing that you need is two lights, and these lights are not for me. It's not to beautify me. Okay, this light is to beautify the green screen. So to make sure that you have curtains. Right now my house is in renovation, there are no curtains, so I've just put all the cloths that is there around. You have to put proper curtains so that the outside light does not enter your studio. Okay, that you have to make sure. And then you don't have to switch on any lights. I have a POP lights right at the top, but I'm not switching on any of these lights. Okay, now you need to have two square lights. You can see there are square lights on a light stand. Okay, 1 and 2 square lights. I have put one square light on the one end, right, and the second square light on the left. Now these two square lights, what they are doing is they are lighting up the green screen and making the color of the green screen look even. So you have to make sure that the color of the green screen is even, and it should not be like somewhere there is dark, somewhere there is light, okay, shade. Otherwise the backdrop will not get removed when you put this video inside the video editor like Premiere Pro, okay, or whatever you are using, DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so it's important you have these two lights, and the voltage of these two lights should be the same. Okay, I'm not sure what is the voltage of this light, but you can get from any Indian electrical shop. Just take my video and show them this video, and they will give you this lights. Okay, many of them don't have it available, but they will order it for you. So quite simple. So now these two lights are to beautify the green screen. And now if I turn ahead, this light which is near my camera, this is my camera is on this tripod. On the tripod I have put a gimbal. Gimbal is not required. If you have a holder, you don't require a gimbal. On this gimbal I have put this video, my mobile. So like you can see me here on this. So I can create a selfie video of mine and start shooting it, okay, on the green screen. So this is the setup. So guys, this is the tripod, this is the gimbal. As I said, you don't need this gimbal. Okay, I have just put this gimbal because I have it, and it gives many cool effects. It's a DJI gimbal Osmo, and it's pretty cool. And on that gimbal I have this mobile, and with a selfie camera I can shoot myself. I don't even need a person to shoot me. It is quite simple. And the basic role of gimbal is it keeps the mobile straight. So if you are doing a selfie stick video, like you can have fun, you can just roam around and make a selfie stick video, and your mobile will be straight, it will not shake. That's the basic and the main role of gimbal. Okay, you can get this gimbal for 10,000 rupees from Amazon. Then near this gimbal I have a laptop stand. Again, I got this from Amazon for like 2,500 rupees. Okay, laptop stand. Now if you see this is the crazy part. You might have seen teleprompters. So you can have the entire script in front of you and you can read off the entire script, or you can have the points in front of you and you can speak the points. So my camera here, okay, is in alignment with the script out here. So even if I'm reading or I'm looking at the points, the viewer will not notice that. I can just go off and read the entire script if I have a script. And mostly what I do is I write down the points here that I have to speak, okay, so that I don't forget any steps or points. And this camera is in alignment with the script, so you will not notice whether I'm looking at the laptop or not. So that's what the teleprompter does. So this is an alternative way of having a teleprompter. Just put your laptop on a laptop stand, have the thing opened in Microsoft Word, and the cool thing is have a wireless mouse. Okay, so if you see here, with the wireless mouse I can just scroll through my script like this while I am looking at the video. These are insider secrets I am giving you. Okay, and the script moves, and here's the video where I'm looking at the video and I'm just speaking it off. Okay, or looking at the points, or even if you want you can read the entire. So that's how news channels read the entire news, through teleprompter. And this light makes me look pretty. So this is the light for me. Okay, it actually gets on my face, and you don't get to know my dark circles and all that stuff. So this is the light. This is makes you look pretty, and these two lights makes your green screen shades even. So I guess all this is there, and simple. You have a stand here, not stand, you can say, extension, so you can plug in everything out here, and that's all. That's the entire setup. A simple setup but very effective. Once you take this raw video into Premiere Pro and you add motion graphics, animation, transition, zoom in, zoom out, it makes a superb video. So if you are following me for some time, you'll see my latest videos which are very well edited, and the reason it is very well edited is because I have this kind of video studio setup nowadays. Before I was not doing all this kind of editing, but now I am doing it as things are awesome out here. So guys, thanks for watching this video. And what I have done recently is I have created a complete full-blown 10+ hours worth of Comp5 method training. Okay, it's worth over 10 hours. It's complete training, A to Z training, where you will learn how to generate leads from Facebook, YouTube, how to do paid ads, how to get leads, how to get clients, how to do presentations, how to create offers, how to build landing pages, all bells and whistles. Okay, A to Z stuff. Okay, this training is not the training that you see all around, where that gives you 15 minutes of videos. This is not a kind of training where you enter a 30-minute webinar, then they try to sell you something. This is a complete A to Z training. I used to sell this training for 70,000 rupees. Now I am giving it to you for free, absolutely free, no strings attached. Okay, not trying to sell you anything. Now the obvious question in your mind is why this guy is doing this, and there are a few reasons. The first reason is, if you are someone you don't have money to pay to coaches, consultants, trainers, and you want to learn and build your business and do something in life, it's a gift from me. Use the training, enjoy, learn, grow, and have fun. The second reason is, let's say you are someone, you're a big company, you have money to pay, but the problem is you don't trust me. So you go through this training, see if I have knowledge in generating leads and clients, and if you believe that I have the skills to help you in your company to generate leads and clients, then contact me and I'll be happy to work with you one-on-one and help you to generate leads and clients in your business. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. But it's a request that if you are getting this training from me absolutely free of cost, I'm not charging you anything, make sure to share this training on your social media channels with your friends and relatives. That's really important. I want to make this training viral and make it available in the hands of people who cannot afford to spend money to build their business and learn. Okay, because I have struggled a lot to learn and get all the skills. I'm giving it away for free, so help me spread the word out. So guys, in this video I showed you how you can create awesome videos. Now in this video right here, you will learn how I got 5,219 views absolutely free of cost from one of my YouTube ad videos. So go here, click the video and watch the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Goodbye, take care, see ya.